Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your knowledge base with Notion easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening Notion on your device. Create a new page for your knowledge base. Use an engaging title to clearly define the purpose of this page. Decide on a structure that suits your needs, such as categories or tags. Add a database to your page by selecting the relevant template from the sidebar. Choose between a table, list, or gallery view based on your preference. Start populating your database with entries, including titles and descriptions. Incorporate relevant images or files to enrich your content. Utilize properties to add additional context, like status, categories, or related links. Take advantage of the rich text formatting options to enhance readability. Implement a backlink system by linking related pages for easier navigation. Use filters and sorting options to streamline your information access. Regularly update your entries to keep your knowledge base current. Encourage collaboration by sharing your page with team members or friends. Explore templates available on Notion for inspiration or as a starting point. Consider embedding web resources or integrations for a more comprehensive experience. Seek feedback from users to identify areas for improvement in your knowledge base. Monitor usage patterns to better understand what information needs scaling. Continuously adapt your structure based on evolving needs and insights. Stay consistent in formatting to ensure uniformity across entries. Prioritize security by adjusting sharing permissions as needed. Review your knowledge base periodically to remove outdated information. Remember, flexibility is key. Feel free to adjust your knowledge base as it grows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.